Okay, so today we're going to replace the air intake filter on our 2007 Mazda 3. This has the 2.3 liter naturally aspirated engine, but I believe that it's fairly similar across this generation of Mazda 3. So here is all the parts that you will need to replace your filter. Obviously, you're going to need the filter, and the size of filter, this is Fram brand obviously, is a CA 9898. And then the other two tools is a Phillips head screwdriver for your plastic clips. And to pry off plastic clips, I just have my little plastic pry tool here. The owner's manual states that in Canada you should replace your air intake filter every 28 months or 56,000 kilometers. If, for example, you tend to drive on a lot of dusty roads, or you visually inspect your filter and it looks dirty, obviously go ahead and replace it. So underneath the hood, your air intake filter is located underneath this, I guess, air intake for the battery venting, but it's located right down underneath here. So we're gonna have to take off this cover, and this cover around here. The first thing you're going to need to remove are these three plastic tabs here. And to do that, I'm going to take my Phillips head screwdriver, back these guys out if they'll come out, and then pry up on them so they unlock. There's that cover off. Next thing is battery cover. This lifts off. And then this cover here. So right here there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips to loosen off this box. Then your filter comes out. Normally, if it was really dirty inside the housing here for the filter, I would take a vacuum and suck it out. There isn't actually any dirt in there, it's pretty clean. But I'll show you the new filter and we'll put it back in. So here's the old filter beside the new filter. You can see this one's a little bit dirty. It actually doesn't look too bad, but I'm still gonna throw in the new one here anyways. But yeah, there's a clear difference. So now that we have the new filter ready to go, we can now throw it back into the housing. So the orientation for the filter is like this. You want to make sure the gasket is in line. That runs around the filter as well. And then you can make sure everything's lined up. Lower down your housing. And then you do up your 4 clips. And now just do the reverse to put all your covers back on. Okay, there's everything back together, and I hope this video helped some of you change out your air intake filter when it comes time. Thanks for watching, and cheers.